This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a locking differential, hill start assist, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a smartphone adapter, a low tire pressure indicator, big 20-inch wheels, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, full power accessories, and XM satellite radio which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Thank you for considering Moritz Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership, located at 9101 Camp Bowie West in Fort Worth.